Now the next question is, the size of the rectangle below are given in cm. Find x and y. And 2 says, find the area of the rectangle. Now, for us to be able to obtain the value of x and y, we will remember a property of a rectangle that says that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if we name here A, name here vertex B, and name here vertex C, name here vertex D, we are saying that AB is equal to DC. Also, we are saying that AD is equal to BC. So, with this property of a rectangle, we can be able to equate the sides that are equal and obtain a simultaneous linear equation, and then we can be able to obtain the values of x and y. So we have that this becomes 4x plus 3 will be equal to x plus 6y. Also, 4x minus y will be equal to 3x plus 1. So we can collect like terms. So we have it that this becomes 4x minus x minus 6y is equal to negative 3. 4x minus x is equal to 3x minus 6y is equal to negative 3. Also, we collect like terms here. So we have 4x minus 3x minus y is equal to 1. 4x minus 3x is equal to x minus y is equal to 1. Now we have two equations that we can solve simultaneously. Thus, we can write that 3x minus 6y is equal to negative 3. Let's call here equation 1. And x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call here equation 2. So at this point, we can solve the two equations simultaneously. So we have that from equation 2, x can be expressed as 1 plus y. Let's call here equation 3. Thus, we can substitute the value of equation 3 into equation 1 to obtain the value of y. So we have that this becomes 3, open up a bracket, s is equal to 1 plus y. 1 plus y, close bracket, minus 6y equal to negative 3. We can expand the bracket here. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times y is 3y minus 6y equal to negative 3. Now at this point, we have it that 3y minus 6y is minus 3y. So we have minus 3y equal to, when 3 crosses the opposite sign, it becomes negative 3. So we have negative 3 minus 3. First, the equation becomes minus 3y equal to minus 6. To obtain the value of y, we divide both sides by negative 3, which is the coefficient of y. So at the left-hand side, we are left with y equal to minus cancel out minus, 3 divided itself is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So therefore y is equal to 2. Now to obtain the value of x, we will substitute y equal to 2 into equation 3. Thus, we have that from equation 3 that x is equal to 1 plus plus y. So we have that x is equal to 1 plus y has been obtained to be 2. So therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. First, we have it that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. We have obtained the value of y and also we have obtained the value of x. But the next question says that find the area of the rectangle. Now, let us obtain the area of the rectangle. Recall that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. So at this point, our length is side AB and side DC. So we pick one of it. So this becomes 4x plus 3, all enclosed in a bracket. And also our breadth is side BC and side AD. So we pick one of it. So this becomes multiply by 3x plus 1. So we have it that the value of x is equal to 3. So this becomes 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 times 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So here is enclosed in a bracket and also here is enclosed in the bracket. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 multiplied by 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 multiplied by 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Thus, 15 times 10 is equal to 150. So therefore, the area A is equal to 150 cm squared. Now we have been able to obtain the area of the rectangle. I know you must have found the video helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more math helpful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.